Alright, so we're filming everything I eat in a day. It's the best thing I've ever had. Oh my god. Doing a what I eat in a day. The enoki mushrooms are so buttery and amazing. And the purple onions grilled. Can I get it to focus on it? Wow. And the zucchini, which I usually hate zucchini, but this is amazing.
Oh, Josh is in this grill.
Mmm. And then we've got the homemade tomato olive bread that I made recently. There's a video of this. There's herbs, there's tomato, basil, oregano, and olives deep within the bread. And it's perfect to get the juices or to get the onions.
Look at it, it's dripping.
The crust is the best part. Squash. Wow. That's got no salt or anything on it and it's just creamy. It's like creamy and fresh, like kind of like sweet potato, but not gross. Better than sweet potato. And healthier. Tiny little oyster mushroom. Should I record it?
Yeah.
When I'm crunching into it?
It sounds so... It's so loud.
Okay, listen to this. Oh, there's stuff in my teeth. Forgive me. that one was so smoked and barbecue flavored somehow. I'm stuffed, and now I'm having some burdock root tea. And editing my video. So this is what I eat in a day. I'm still full from the grilled vegetables and the burdock tea. As this girly cup. Anyway, burdock tea is almost gone, so I'm pretty filled up. But I'm gonna eat this because I'm eating as much as possible today for this video. So this is the mango jello, mango with coconut cream. Oh. That is so good. Look how good that looks. And there's a dangling mango. It's so creamy, and I can taste the coconut cream a little bit. It's not very coconutty because of the type of coconut cream we use. It doesn't have a strong coconut flavor, but I can taste the fattiness, which coconut fat is good for you. Don't listen to the internet. And then the mango chunks are ripe. And don't want to drop any. The mango chunks are ripe and so good. And this one is sweet. It's sweetened with agave, and it's so good. Alright, I need to be alone with this next bite. Alright, so we're filming everything I eat in a day, and I missed a couple things. So I went to Trader Joe's and I drank this already. This is 100% coconut, organic coconut water, organic coconut. That's it. So these are awesome, and I don't live anywhere near where coconuts grow at the moment. So I have to resort to these, but they're great, and I'm thankful for them. So I got like 12 of these or something. And one more thing. Oh, I didn't eat it yet, so this one I'm about to eat. This is banana cream pudding with candied walnuts on top. There's the walnut on the other side. You see this? We made this today. Oh my God. Yes. This is just like the fruit jello we made, except instead of chunks of fruit, we mixed banana puree. Not just any banana though. Burro banana, which is like, I think on the receipt it said Thai banana. They're short, or you can use mini bananas. The secret is when they're ripe, you freeze them. When they're very ripe is when they turn black. You freeze them, and then you can pull them out of the freezer, put it under hot water, and the black peel just comes off, and the ripe banana is super sweet. Oh man, ripe burro banana. Here's another one with candied walnuts. It's like creme brulee and banana cream pie mixed. Or like banana nut bread and an ice cream. Kind of like a banana nut ice cream. But I think the creme brulee meets banana cream pie is a better analogy. Wow. Alkaline and good. Oh. What time is it? This is so sweet and good. Oh, does this have the cream? This has the candied walnuts in it. She put a couple in this one before it was solidified. Oh my. The candied walnuts inside of the cream. This is extraordinary. All right, I'm gonna stop filming, but I still have some left. Let me see if I can show you this. Look at those candied walnuts. Oh man. See you soon. But here's what I'm gonna eat. I'm just gonna finish the rest of these grilled veggies with some toasted homemade bread that I made and some burdock tea. And I'm going to make sure to use the bread to get all of that oil and everything off of the plate, because that's going to be the best part. But this is a snack, I suppose. Oh, one more thing, actually, if you stuck with me till the end. I took earlier this morning, before I started filming, I took some capsules. And I want to show you what they are, because these are very important, and I'm going to include them with what I'm eating. So I'll just show you, just pour some out right here and take a look at this. Alright, so this is what I took today. I took all these earlier. This is sea moss and bladderwrack, and this is 4 types of medicinal mushrooms. And all of these together are powerful, and I don't like to go a day without, honestly. And these are just whole food. There's nothing added at all other than the capsule. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching till the end, and I hope you enjoyed that. Now, this was just one day, and I mix it up as much as possible. So today I ate a bunch of Jello and pudding, and also took some herbal capsules and mushrooms, and had some grilled veggies and homemade bread. What else was there? Squash. Yeah, it was a pretty good day. And right now there's no alkaline vegan Snickers ice cream bars in our freezer. We're out. We keep making them, but we can't keep up with how much we eat them. So I guess we need to make bigger batches so that we don't have to keep making it every 3 days or 2 days. But because it takes some time to soak the Brazil nuts and everything. But I usually eat that, and I don't always drink burdock tea. I also really like sarsaparilla tea, and sometimes I drink a lot of ginger tea. So it just depends what kind of phase I'm going through at the moment. But I drink tea all day though, and I do drink a lot of it. So we went shopping at Trader Joe's and the Asian market. So we got a lot of different things, but it's too much to include in this video. So I'm going to make some more videos about that. But stay tuned because we've been putting out videos every day. And thank you so much for all the new subscribers. Especially I'm appreciative of your comments and hearing your feedback. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day on purpose. Peace. All right, one more. I'm eating one of these, and that's it. So I just wanted to include it as the ending because these are one of my favorite things. Oh man. And I didn't film having the one earlier. I'm not endorsing them, but if I could, I would. Just send me a truckload of this. One semi-truck of this a month. Oh man, it's amazing. Well, I'm going to finish drinking this, and then I'm going to continue to do research until I go to sleep. Have a good night. Thank you for watching. I ate a good amount of coconut today, that's for sure. I noticed that there was a lot of coconut in the food today. Comment below if you like this video, and I'll do another one sometime. It's fun for me to just eat and focus on the eating. Usually I just eat in between working on stuff or, busy going places, and it's nice to make the eating the most important thing going on by videoing it. And I'm glad that you can get some info and also hopefully some entertainment and knowledge from it. And I'll see you in the next video, and I will see you in the comments section. Until then, peace.